Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are well. I am also well. I am Muhammad Nizamuddin Tarabdar, lecturer, Department of English, Madhupur Shohid Chiti Higher Secondary School, Madhupur, Tangail. I express my gratitude to Almighty Allah who has enabled me to meet with you once again. Dear students, in the previous class I was discussing about voice sense from active to passive. I could not finish my lecture. Today I am going to draw the topics as far as possible. Now look at the whiteboard. Dear students, voice sense. Look at the whiteboard. I saw a boy carrying a bag. I saw a boy carrying a bag. Here I subject, saw verb transitive, a boy object, carrying a bag, present participle phrase, that is post modifier of the object. If you face such kind sentence that have post modifier of the object, that you have to follow two process, two OS, and the first OS is objective subject, that is doing object as subject. Plus to be verb. All of you know to be verb are used to have to use plus past participle plus ing form plus by plus subject a object. The second way is objective subject kora with present participle, that is with post modifier plus to be verb plus by or appropriate preposition, that may be by or to or at or in, plus subject or object form. This is the two OS of this kind sentence, first OS, the second OS. Now come to the point. You have to do voice sense in this way. A boy was seen. A boy was seen. A boy was to be verb, seen past participle of the transitive verb, carrying a bag, by carrying a bag plus ing form plus by plus me. This is the first way, most appropriate way. So a boy was seen carrying a bag by me. The second way, দ্বিতীয় পন্থা, a boy, দ্বিতীয় পন্থা অবজেক্টিভ সাবজেক্ট করা। আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, a boy plus with present participle, that is with post modifier. A boy carrying a bag, then to be verb was. A boy carrying a bag was seen by me. This is the second process. You can solve such kind sentence in any form of the two. However, now look at this active sentence. He knows a boy studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School. He knows, also such kind sentence. He subject knows verb transitive, a boy studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School. If you want to solve this sentence, you should follow the second process, that will be very suitable. So you have to do in this way. A boy studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School is known to me in this way, is known to me. Then it will be very easy for you. Now look at this sentence, active. Studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School. Studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School. You can look that this is the present participle phrase, that has come before subject. Badal has done an excellent result. Badal has done an excellent result. This is the main sentence and it is the present participle phrase and pre-modifier of the subject Badal. This is the phrase and pre-modifier of the subject Badal. This is related to the sentence but not a portion of the sentence. This is related to the sentence, to the subject of the sentence. Subject is Badal, but this phrase, this present participle phrase is not the portion of the sentence. It is pre-modifier. So you can change this sentence in this way. Studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School, an excellent result has been done by Badal. Studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School, an excellent result has been done by Badal. You can do passive in this way. Studying at Madhupur Shohid City Higher Secondary School, an excellent result has been done by Badal. Look another sentence I am going to write down on the whiteboard. Dear students, look at this sentence, active sentence. I noticed them smiling. I noticed them smiling. I subject, noticed verb transitive, them object, smiling, present participle, post modifier of the object. If you can change this active sentence into passive form, then you should follow the first way, that is they were noticed smiling. They were noticed smiling by me. Yes, they are noticed smiling by me. You have to follow the first ways in this sentence because them indirect object, otherwise the sentence will not be suitable and you fall in a hesitation. Now, dear students, look at this active sentence. They proposed building a dam for irrigation. They proposed building a dam for irrigation. In this sentence, we see that they are subject, proposed verb, building. Jiran phrase has become object. Jiran phrase, building a dam for irrigation. Jiran phrase has become object. In this present participle phrase or Jiran phrase, Jiran has become object. We can see building verb, a dam object of the verb, of the building verb, a dam for irrigation. So, if you want to change this sentence, you have to go in this way. They proposed that, you have to take that, and verb, transitive verb propose will remain unchanged. They proposed that a dam should plus be verb, be should be built. Should be built. They proposed that a dam should be built for irrigation. For irrigation. Yes. They proposed that a dam should be built for irrigation. This is the passive form of the above active sentence. Now, look at this sentence. I know that she taught me mean. I subject, no verb, transitive, that she taught me mean. Now, you can see that clause, noun clause, has become object. The whole clause, object, the whole subject, verb transitive, the whole clause, object. Again, look at this clause, that conjunction, she subject, thought, verb transitive, me object, subject, verb, object, complement, adjective complement. So, there are two portions, two clause, main clause, subordinate clause, and in the subordinate clause we can see verb, subject, verb transitive, object and complement. So, you have to change this sentence into sentence by changing both the portion passive, by changing both the portion into passive. Then start the first object, that the first way, that I, in this clause I subject, that I was thought, thought, that I was thought, that I was thought mean by her, yes, we have changed the active of this clause, that I was thought mean by her. Now that clause, the clause has been changed into passive and has become subject. The whole clause has become subject. That I was thought mean by her, noun clause, subject, third person singular. Now to be verb is necessary. Now take a to be verb is, subject third person, noun clause, whole clause, third person singular, is, and no, past participle of the no verb is known, an is known, preposition to me, is known to me. That I was thought mean by her is known to me. This is the first way of solving this sentence. The second process is taking preparatory it. This is the second process, taking preparatory it. This is also valid for it, and doing solve of the first person. It is known. It is known to me. Now that conjunction, that I was thought, mean I was thought, mean by her. The second process, second way. It is known to me, the first, the passive of the principal portion, principal verb, that I was thought mean by her. So we have turned this active sentence into a, look another sentence. We thought that, we subject thought, we thought that he was the right man for the job. Noun clause, that object. But students, in this portion there is no transitive verb, so this portion will remain unchanged. In this clause there is no transitive verb, so it will not be changed. And in that case, as there is no transitive verb, but you will not take this clause at first. What you will take? You will take preparatory it. In this case, if that clause is without transitive verb, you will start the sentence, that is, you will turn the passive sentence by taking preparatory it. So passive. So passive. It was thought by us, no need of mentioning. It was thought that he was the right man for the job. It was thought that he was the right man for the job. You will follow this way always when you will find out any transitive verb in that clause. Dear students, today I have no time, but I could not finish my topics. Inshallah, tomorrow I shall discuss on it. Pray for me to Almighty Allah. I also pray for you, for your safety, for your healthy condition. To Almighty Allah remain good and healthy. Allah Hafiz.